Ado, arrête, c'est chiant.
Walking up a hill is like,
Really?
Yeah. The kids are coming and he's tracking guitars. And he's like, kids like touching.
Yes!
prank cam.
Scare cam.
She's right behind. Air horn scare.
Oh, you think you're safe, huh?
484.
Wait, did you not send that to him? I texted. Oh my god!
Don't do that anymore.
I'ma get him.
Hey, Mom.
God damn it.
Tante main tebak-tebakan. Ini suara apa? Meong. Meong. Meong.
Get dressed! Fuck yeah. You son of a bitch! I'm trying to fucking cook dinner. God damn it.
God damn it, Richard. Fucker, stop it! Delete that right now.
How do you feel about that?
How
to scare your cousin.
Go fuck yourself.
Oh my god! No, not again!
Scare cam.
Air horn cam.
Hey, you can take a shower first, I don't care.
I didn't even get it, so I hope you did. Your ass was right in my face.
Sandra, look how cute my underwear are.
Yeah.
Shit! Scare cam. Ow!
I just got a large. Stop playing!
God, what the heck?
Was that an air horn?
Christ, what the fuck?
Fuck you!
Let's see why the real wrong side of the tracks is being on top of you. Fuck you.
Air horn scare. Go.
God! Oh, I hate you so much.
What's going on, Kim?
Oh, shit! Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
Whoa!
Fucker. You can't keep that.
Oh, Jesus Christ, man!
Fucking bitch, get out of
Here.
here. Scare cam.
Where you going, motherfucker?
Why would you do that?
Like fucking shoe boxes of this stuff. Fucking A.
Fuck was that?
Fucking A.
Oh shit.